Hi guys, welcome back. All right, so today we are going to do our very first Sephora Play unboxing. This is the overall box, and this will be a new unboxing on the channel for 2018, maybe after, if I decide to keep it. So let's check it out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, and I have a chair over here to kind of unbox this because I don't want my camera knocking and doing its whole thing, so if you're wondering. All right, so I have 50 Beauty Insider points, and I believe you get these every single month. My nearest Sephora is actually in Reno, Nevada, which is not too terribly far from where I live, but I don't go to Reno like often, so I'll end up taking this the next time that I'm in Reno, which I think will probably be next weekend because I have to go get my birthday gift from them. And then I can take this and use it there. So anyway, so this big ol', I'm not going to read this. So this came with it. And then this is the back, which showcases everything and tells you a little bit about each item. But like I said, I am not going to read that. Okay. And then this is the bag for this month. I'm going to go ahead and open it completely so you can kind of get a full view, maybe without destroying the bag. That would be great. Okay. So it says 2018 Happy You Year. And then it just says for play down there. And I'm going to go ahead and put everything inside of my box down here. Okay, so I'm going to start with a bonus item, which is a moisture shampoo and conditioner sample. So I'll have to check the ingredients because my hair is currently, and I know it's really hard to see with my lighting, but it's currently purple, which you can pretty much see. And then I have like a really dark, like blue on top of this. So this is like a super dark blue. I know it looks brownish black probably, but it's actually a blue. So I have to just make sure that whatever ingredients are in this, I can use on my hair. If not, I have children. Okay, next is a Smashbox Photo Finish primerizer. It's a primer. Very small, tiny sample. I'm used to the samples from Ipsy, so this is very small, but that's okay because at least I can use it and check it out. I actually saw this at Ulta yesterday, and I've been interested in it, so I can check it out. So, not bad. And then I got a Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser, which is cool. And again, I have to check ingredients because I have sensitive skin. I know I've went over that before. This one I'm excited about. This is a Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. So I'm actually very excited about that one. And then I got a Lancome mascara. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, okay. That was upside down. It's always fun. Looks like, let me see here. Okay, so this is a extra large super enhancing mascara base. So I'm actually looking forward to using this too. So there's this. It feels like it has a significant amount in there. My lashes are actually naturally long. I know you can't really tell because I wear glasses and I do not wear contacts because my eyes are sensitive. So, okay. And then what I'm opening here is a Fresh Rose Floral Toner. It is infused with soothing rose water and hydrates and refreshes. And if you hear the meowing behind me, that is my daughter's cat, May. She is partial bobcat and she is crazy. Okay, So this is actually a nice size sample. And I love toners, so I look forward to that. I'm sorry about the shaking, that was the cat. Anyways, so this is the toner that I got. And that does it for January's play box. Overall, like I said, I'm really used to Ipsy's samples and stuff because they're more of the deluxe sample. They're more of a full size, not really a full size, but like a deluxe sample, and sometimes you get full size products. So, I mean, these are kind of on the smaller end, but I'm going to give play several months before I actually decide to keep it or cancel it. So you will see this several times in the following months. So you'll see February's box and March's box. So anyways, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the Pomeranian if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.